Have you ever wondered how likely something is to happen? That's where probability comes in. Probability is the study of chance. It helps us understand the likelihood of different outcomes in a world full of uncertainties. Think of it like this. Every event, from flipping a coin to a meteor striking Earth, has a probability. It's a measure of how likely that event is to occur, expressed as a number between 0 and 1. A probability of 0 means the event is impossible, like rolling a 7 on a standard 6-sided die. A probability of 1 means the event is certain, like the sun rising tomorrow. Most events in life fall somewhere in between these extremes. Understanding probability is like having a superpower. It allows us to make smarter decisions, whether we're playing games, planning for the future, or just trying to navigate the uncertainties of life. So buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of probability. Let's start with something familiar. Games of chance. Rolling a die is a classic example of probability in action. Each face of a 6-sided die has an equal chance of landing face up. This means the probability of rolling any specific number, like a 3, is 1 in 6, or about 16.67%. Now imagine drawing a card from a standard deck of 52 cards. What's the probability of picking an ace of spades? There's only one ace of spades in the deck. So the probability is 1 in 52, or about 1.92%. Card games, dice games, and even lotteries all rely on the principles of probability. By understanding these principles, we can make more informed decisions about our chances of winning or losing. Now let's step outside the casino and into the real world. You've probably heard meteorologists say there's a 30% chance of rain tomorrow. What does that actually mean? It means that based on historical weather patterns and current atmospheric conditions, there's a 30% probability that it will rain in your area tomorrow. Of course, weather forecasting is a complex science and predictions aren't always accurate. But by using probability, meteorologists can give us a good idea of what to expect. This information helps us make decisions about our day. Should we bring an umbrella? Should we reschedule that picnic? Probability helps us make informed choices, even when dealing with something as unpredictable as the weather. Section 4. When nature rolls the dice, earthquakes and floods. Sometimes nature throws us curveballs. Earthquakes, floods, hurricanes. These natural disasters can be devastating, but they're also subject to the laws of probability. Scientists use historical data and sophisticated models to estimate the probability of such events occurring in specific locations. For example, they might say there's a 1% chance of a major earthquake hitting a certain city in the next 50 years. While this probability seems low, it highlights the importance of preparedness. Understanding the probability of natural hazards helps us prepare for the unexpected. Section 5. Probability guiding our decisions. Probability is more than just numbers and statistics. It's a powerful tool that helps us make sense of the world around us. From the roll of a die to the chance of rain, probability is everywhere. Understanding probability empowers us to make better decisions in all aspects of our lives. It helps us weigh potential outcomes, assess risks, and plan for the future. So the next time you're faced with a decision, remember the power of probability. It might just help you make the smarter choice.